Hey, say, man, this video is about me fixing my washing machine in my cabin. Problem was, we don't use this cabin too often. We was doing some work outside, and the old lady decided she's gonna go in the cabin and do something. She comes out and says, "The cabin's flooded." The inlet valve for the water for the washing machine had a slow drip, and it filled the tub all the way up. And over the course of a couple months, it flooded into the bathroom. It really wasn't that bad. Didn't flood too bad. So the first thing we tried running a few cycles through the machine just to see if by any chance a little bit of crud built up in the valve, because it's some pretty damn rough well water we got out here. But that didn't do the job. Still want to just sit there and drip. It's a very easy job. You basically take the front cover off, which is just 2 screws along the bottom. Then the cover is going to drop down and out. And there's one bolt that actually unbolts from behind. Then you reach back up in there. You pull the valve loose from the back of the body. And you got to work a hose clamp off, which was kind of a pain in the ass. And 2 electrical connectors off the solenoids. Well, watch my video and I'm going to show you how I put the valve in. Taking the valve out was just the opposite. It wasn't a hard job. If you're skinnier than me, it'll be even an easier job. Okay, you want to move the drum out of the way so you can reach back up in here and put the valve on. Got the valve, shove the valve up on the hose. It's going to eventually bolt through these holes, this hole right here, with a single bolt on the bottom. Now the next trick is to get this clamp to slide down onto the barb of the valve. For that, I'm going to use a pair of needle nose vice grips. I got to hook the wires up to the valve, so I come around back here and make sure, okay, the H for the hot is the lower one. The cold is the upper one. I got 2 plugs going on the back of the valve. One's red, one's white. I'm going to assume they're smart enough that they made the red one for the hot. So I am going to plug it in the bottom, which is where the hot water hose will attach to. You know, what I really could do is go ahead and get this valve bolted in place. Geez, I think I see the hole right there. All right, she bolted in place. So the wires are hooked up, the line is on, and it's bolted in place. So for all practical purposes, it should be ready to put the cover back on. You shove the hooks into their adjoining slots and you push up on the cover. These screws were at an angle when I took them out. I had my wife hold the wash and dryer assembly tilted, but she's not here. I'm working it. All right, washing machine's back in place. I know this wasn't a real in-depth video. I didn't even think about doing it until I got my part and decided to put it back in. But I hope this video helps you if you ever have this same problem with a Figidaire stacked washer and dryer assembly. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you love life and learning new things, go aimless.com.